Hey KiHiVe, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of KiHiVe and hello to all my subscribers. Thanks so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. Okay, so today I'm going to be introducing my protective style challenge. Thank you so much for Nia Martin, who introduced it into the live stream, because I was definitely going to introduce it myself. But we're going to be doing a protective style challenge here on my channel for the rest of the year, so up until December 31st. So I'm going to be showing you all a quick and easy style to do to start off this challenge. Basically what the rules are is you're going to comment down below. I'm entering the KiHiVe protective style challenge. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do that at KiaraIvory. I'll be giving daily tips there to help you all on this protective style journey. And you're going to wash hair either once a week or once every other week. Do rice water treatments. Leave your hair alone for at least a week at a time. So that's like putting your hair in twists and wearing it out, doing simple stuff so you can just kind of slick back and leave it alone. And moisturizing your hair at least twice a week. I moisturize my hair between 1 and 2 times a week, so it kind of varies from person to person. So if you need more, do more. If you need less, do less. So today I'm going to be showing you all just a quick slick back ponytail puff situation on my hair. I've never done this before, so we're just about to see how we do. So I got some water, got some Unicurl leave-in, got some oil, and I have the Main Choice Stubborn Edges freezing gel. So what I'm gonna do first is kind of re-moisturize my hair just slightly, not too much, because you don't want your hair to revert, because my hair is pretty stretched right now. And since my hair is already stretched and it has product on, I don't need too much. So I'll take a bit of the Unicurl. Okay, I'll take a bit of the oil. Brush the edges real lightly with this soft bristle brush. Okay, now we're going to take a bit of the Stubborn Edges freezing gel. And put a bit on the edges. Again, you want to be careful with this, because if you use too much of it, it can kind of I don't know, it just gets real hard and sticky. Okay, and I don't like to have my hair super slick back, so you see it kind of makes my hair a little white, so that's a thing to be aware of. You do the same thing on the other side. Just a small amount. Okay. And now you just slowly begin to pull your hair down. I'm actually gonna make this into like a super puff, if you will. So I'm gonna take one side. Okay. Bam. Take the other side. Now you got double puffs. I apologize if it's not even. This is a quick, easy style that you can do and just slick it back and just leave it alone. And make sure the ponytails aren't too tight, because you don't want to lose your edges. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, share this with all your friends, and I'll see you next video. Bye.